Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Yarbo. This is the plow blade. You will need to have the snowblower module. So if you're interested in anything that you see here, the link will be in the video description. First things first, we got to remove the guard on the snowblower so we can install the plow blade. And to remove the protective guard and fence, we have 3 bolts on each side, all using the same, this is the Allen key number 2. So use the Allen key number 2 to remove those 3 bolts on each side. All right, with the guard removed, now we're going to go ahead, we're going to line up the plow blade and we're going to attach it with this kit right here, thumb screw bolts for plow blade. So now we'll use these 6 bolts to attach it, 3 on each side. All right, so those 3 have been tightened up, and then you can just rotate this at the end to get it where you want it. I want them out of the way, but also don't worry, if you'd rather just use these again, you can do that here too. So up to you. There we go, we now have the plow blade installed.